Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find home screen, which is quite surprising that it is not in the display brightness or something like that. Let's enter the home screen and now scroll down to the very bottom to find system navigation. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 2 different options. And before we will set the gestures, a quick disclaimer, you can reorder the back button and the recents, and basically you can customize the buttons here. So if you'll decide that you want to stick to this option, you can customize it. Alright, so to set the gestures, we have to tap on this animation. Your device will ask you whether you want to learn the gestures, so go through the tutorial. It's up to you. You can do it. However, be aware that I will show you how to use the gestures later on. So I don't want to do it. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this specific line which is responsible for some gestures. If you want, you can hide it just by tapping on this switcher, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. So it's totally up to you. Here we've got also the gesture confirmation, which means that sometimes, for example, if you're watching a video or playing a game, you will have to repeat the gesture, specifically the back gesture, to confirm that you really meant to go back. Alright, so a quick tutorial. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that, until you'll see this arrow. Now release the finger and you will go back. The same situation with the right side, it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this operation, this gesture, is quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center. However, hold your finger somewhere here, like that, and after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.